If you love gardening or just need to keep your backyard looking sharp, a good pair of pruning shears is a must. But let's be real, manual pruning shears can be a pain, especially if you have a lot of branches to cut through. That's where cordless pruning shears come in. These battery-powered tools make cutting through branches effortless, saving you time and energy. But with so many options out there, which one is right for you? Today we're ranking the top 5 best cordless pruning shears from the weakest to the absolute best, so you can find the perfect fit for your gardening needs. Let's get started. Coming in at number 5 is the Worx WG330. It's one of the lightest cordless pruning shears on the market, making it perfect for people who don't want to deal with heavy tools. The brushless motor gives you improved efficiency and a longer runtime, and the titanium-plated blade helps reduce friction for a smoother cut. While it's a solid choice for light pruning, it does have its limitations. The cutting capacity is just 1 inch, which means it's not ideal for thicker branches. Plus, the number of cuts per charge isn't specified, so it's hard to gauge how long you can work before needing to recharge. So who's this for? If you have a small garden and just need to trim thinner branches, the Worx WG330 is a lightweight and comfortable option. But if you're dealing with larger branches, you'll definitely want something more powerful. Let's move on to number 4. At number 4, we have the BLACK+DECKER. This one's a solid mid-range option with a high number of cuts per charge, up to 900. That's great if you need to work for long periods without recharging. It also has a tool-free blade change, making maintenance super easy. The downside? It's heavy, 4.6 pounds. That's a lot of weight to hold if you're pruning for an extended period. It also doesn't have a battery level indicator, so you won't know when it's about to die until it suddenly stops. Compared to lighter models like the Worx WG330, this one is a bit bulky. That said, if you need a long-lasting cordless pruner that can handle a full day of yard work, this is a great pick. But for those who prioritize lightweight comfort, keep watching, we have better options ahead. Coming in at number 3 is the Craftsman. It's very similar to the BLACK+DECKER, but with one key advantage. It can cut branches up to 1¼ inches thick. That extra cutting capacity makes a big difference if you have denser shrubs and trees in your yard. Just like the BLACK+DECKER, it's heavy at 4.6 pounds, which could cause hand fatigue over time. And again, there's no battery indicator, so you'll need to keep an eye on how long you've been using it. Overall, if you like the BLACK+DECKER but need a bit more power, the Craftsman is the better choice. But now let's talk about 2 even stronger contenders. The Milwaukee takes the runner-up spot for a reason. It's powerful, precise, and built for professionals. It has a 1/4 inch cutting capacity, which matches the Craftsman. But what makes it stand out is its active blade control. This feature allows you to make precise cuts without the blade closing all the way, saving time and improving efficiency. One downside, the battery and charger are sold separately. So if you're not already in the Milwaukee M12 ecosystem, you'll need to buy those separately, which adds to the cost. Also, the exact weight and dimensions aren't specified, making it a little harder to compare with other models. But if you want a powerful, precise, and pro-level cordless pruner, Milwaukee delivers. However, there's still one model that beats it all around. At the top of our list is the DeWalt, and for good reason. It outperforms the competition in almost every category. With a massive 1/2 inch cutting capacity, it can handle thicker branches than any other model on this list. It also delivers up to 1,100 cuts per charge, making it one of the most efficient cordless pruning shears available. One standout feature is the onboard LED work light, which helps improve visibility in low light areas. Whether you're pruning at dusk or working in dense shrubs, this feature is a game changer. Plus, at just 3 pounds, it's significantly lighter than the BLACK+DECKER or Craftsman models, making it much easier to handle for long periods. The real downside? The battery and charger are sold separately. But given its power, efficiency, and lightweight design, this is easily the best cordless pruning shears on the market today. So there you have it, the top 5 cordless pruning shears ranked from weakest to best. If you just need something lightweight and simple, the Worx WG330 is a great budget-friendly option. For solid mid-range performance, the BLACK+DECKER and Craftsman models get the job done. But if you want the most power and precision, Milwaukee and DeWalt take the crown, with DeWalt being the overall best choice. If you're interested in any of these models, check the links in the description for the best prices. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Which one are you getting? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next review.